Hello there. Welcome to our Business Ideas series, a place where we get to explore business ideas you have probably never thought of. In today's episode, we will be looking at how to start a local treat shop that can tickle the taste buds of expatriates in your country. Before we get to the business of the day, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Business Ideas 365, and click the notification bell for more amazing business ideas that can set you on the path to being featured on Forbes' list. Let's get it on. Dealing with local snacks for expats is a really juicy business that involves bringing happiness and joy to the doorstep of strangers in a new or unfamiliar territory. For some expatriates, the new responsibilities, different culture, language barrier, and daily stress often causes a nostalgic feeling that makes them crave for the comfort of their home country and delicacies that are familiar to their taste buds. This idea is for you if you enjoy spreading happiness and impacting lives. It involves elegantly displaying packaged local snacks or meals on food shelves. This is super awesome because while making some extra money, you'll be providing a home away from home, pleasant feeling that cannot be purchased with money. How cool is that? These are the most important steps you need to take to turn this idea into a fruitful business venture. Number 1. Research. Research the number of expats in your area and which countries they are mostly from. Having knowledge of the number of expats domiciled in your area or country will give you a rough estimate of your target market. This research will further help you to tailor the choice of products to sell so that you can meet up with the demands, preference, and choices of your target market. Joining online expat groups on social media is one of the best ways to find out what your target market love, their countries of origin, preference for a local treat, and general likes and dislikes. This research will help you to identify opportunities, threats, and pitfalls to avoid when dealing with people from different cultural orientation. You should not skip this step because this is a critical factor that will influence your purchase decision and items to stock up. Number 2. Select your stock. Go online and buy a selection of local snacks from their country. Expatriates abroad will gladly pay you beautifully well to have a taste of their traditional foods available to them at a convenient arrangement and location. You can add common items like cheese, onion crisps, squash, Bisto gravy, Heinz baked beans, ginger nuts, and Warburton's crumpet, which have proven to be common shelf fillers. You don't need to be tied to a spot in the choices of items to sell. After you research, be flexible, dynamic, and ready to flow with the demand that will soon flood your snack business. Number 3. Your location matters. Trust me, your location can either make or break your business. Your ideal spot should be a high-traffic location with easy access. Expatriates are also concerned about their safety, so siting your spot in a safe neighborhood is your best bet. Additionally, due to the language barrier and a difficulty navigating a new city often faced by expatriates, ensure that wherever you choose is readily accessible. This is important because you wouldn't want your customers to get lost while trying to treat their taste buds with the beautiful varieties on your shelf. Number 4. Offer quality products. As a new business trying to stay relevant in the competitive market, you should treat your customers nicely because the success of your business rests on the shoulders of referrals. Don't forget that your client knows themselves, and a simple recommendation or nod of disapproval will cross boundaries that the best advertisement may not be able to cross. As an entrepreneur, and especially a snack vendor dealing with expats, a quality product or service can bring thousands of other customers to your doorstep. Despite the pressures you might face, be courteous, be helpful, and pleasant to deal with. Never compromise on quality. Your entire package should be a one-off experience. Number 5. Sell the snacks at your local area at a profitable markup. This is the final and arguably most obvious point. Your primary aim is to make profit, and you need to ensure you sell at a profitable markup. Once you have your location sorted out and your stocks are available, selling at a reasonable profit margin is essential to keep you in business. Chances are that you may have to deal with competition, so check what they are already doing and price your product offering accordingly. Depending on how you brand your business and who your target market is, you may opt to either lower or increase the price. However, never compromise on quality and customer experience. In conclusion, be careful not to let your business snowball into something overcomplicated. Price your products enough to make a reasonable return on investment so that you do not end up with an expensive, elaborate end product that nobody wants to buy.